Welcome. This has been a long time since I made a video, and for a while it's been just these little cancer meme videos. They're like 20 seconds long. Welcome back to Unboxing Garbage. Unboxing trash. Today we have emergency blankets. We got a whole bunch of these, and this is the what the table's coded in currently. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there. So what I was thinking about doing with these blankets is I'm going to layer them all across my room and make kind of a floor out of them. So we'll see how that goes. There it is. Oh God, let's get this started. All of them have been placed. Oh my God. So, they're all over the floor. I can expand them further, but oh my God. They just go so far. You can put these into many different positions, like, you could probably make a big ball out of them. I'm thinking about putting them up in my bed and using them as, blankets for the night. But, you know, I had to move the table out of the way. This is pretty bad. Ma'am, I got a little something. You want to come take a look?
Sure.
Let's do this. I like that clip you got there. Is that new? Is that a cool hip thing with the kids? Check it out, bro.
Oh my God. It's like Christmas in there.
I know. Come on in. Hope you guys liked the video. This is a mistake. Oh God.